My name is Emily John. I am a trainee solicitor in Acuity. I started my training contract this week, so September 2024. I wasn't new to the job. I was a paralegal at Acuity for 2.5 years before I started my training contract. At Prizer, my focus is on contentious probate litigation. So the work that I do day to day, I'm sure people hate saying it, but it does differ every day. Litigation is quite drafting heavy, quite paperwork heavy. I found myself this year doing a lot of mediations, which I didn't do previously. So with mediations, you get all the parties around the table and you sort of argue about trying to settle the case amicably, so we avoid going to court. So this year we've done, I think, 4 mediations, and I'm preparing for one now in a week's time. So I'm at my busiest right now. So I'm drafting a lot of witness statements, position statements, mediation bundles, a lot of busy days, a lot of late nights. At present, I would say I have quite a lot of responsibility. I'm very lucky. My boss, Janice Powell, she's very flexible. She does give me free rein to sort of send emails myself, speak to clients on my own. I don't have to ask her permission to engage with people. That's something that's like developed over the last 2.5 years. I wasn't thrown in the deep end. It didn't come overnight, which I think is really nice. I think I've worked in other firms previously, and it's always nice to find a good balance, which I think we have here, of being very supervised but not micromanaged. I think it's a really good way to learn to sort of be encouraged to deal with things by yourself, but know you've got somebody supporting you in the background if you are confused or a little bit lost. Very friendly. I think we have quite a good office culture, especially I know the Swansea office and the Cardiff office, and I think the others as well. I've been to Bristol and Liverpool, are all quite open plan, so everyone's very accessible, so you kind of never feel like you're on your own. It's a very social firm as well, and I found a lot of the senior management team to be really laid back and approachable, which is very nice. It's not an intimidating place to work at all. So I kind of expected to come into the firm, and I knew it was a very corporate commercial environment, so I knew there'd be a lot of big deals, a lot of money involved, a lot of high net worth clients, so I kind of expected it to be more admin based than it is. As much as a paralegal and trainee solicitor's role is to make sure that the day-to-day admin is dealt with, I do a significant more amount of fee earning than I expected to, which I think is really good experience. There's lots to sort of show examples of progression in the firm, which is really nice. I would describe being a trainee at Acuity as really fun and quite an exciting, albeit challenging experience. I think the good thing about Acuity is that it's retained quite a lot of its trainees. A lot of the senior staff did train at Acuity, so you are speaking to people who have gone through exactly what you're going through, and they're very helpful with that. And it's quite nice as well because everybody's so approachable, and it's just an overall nice environment, I think.